My name's Dalian Nolasco Santiago. I'm a standard drafter.
My name is Vincent Murray. My role is the drafting supervisor, and I've been here 3.5 years.
My name's Lucas. I'm a drafter here, and I've been here for about 3 years.
My name is Nick Green. I've been here for over 1.5 years, and I am a drafter.
I've been drafting for, I would say, a year since I've actually studied CAD programming, and then I landed this job.
Long story short, I got into a car accident back in 2021, and my sister ended up working for a marine construction company, and they were looking for a drafter. So I was out of work. I was like, yeah, might as well. Got the job and been drafting ever since.
So my previous job was at a granite shop, and I did all the measurements and stuff and slowly transitioned into turning the measurements into the files we needed. And I just kind of transitioned into doing more with that.
Right after high school, I joined the fire department, so I was a firefighter. Later on, I was still trying to figure out what I was trying to do in my life, so later on, I actually went to college and got my associates. And then recently, I got my bachelor's. So I've always been into drawing, so I've started looking up, degrees that I can use my drawing for, and then drafting was one of them, so I got into it that way.
My dad, he has been in the engineering field for 20 years now. Then I saw him doing that, and I was like, ooh, can I try? Just to help him out, and then I started drafting, and I was like, ooh, this is interesting, and then looked up on PHSE, saw they had a course for that, and decided to go from there.
When project lands on my desk, we start with the as-built, so take any of the measurements that the sales team gives us, draw it up exactly how they have it drawn. If it's a brand new build, we normally have some sort of link or printout of what their house or what they want their house to look like.
Something people don't really realize is the level of detail that you need. I feel like most people just look at it and think, oh, all I'm doing is adding a small room to my house, but they don't realize what's actually needed to add that room on properly.
A lot of people draw things, they're like, oh, this is exactly what it's gonna be. And as soon as you put those measurements into a system and put all your doors, windows, interior walls and all that, come to realize you don't really have the space.
You have to cut out trusses, change the style, make sure it goes by code.
You don't realize how fast-paced it is. It's not just, putting walls together. You actually have to know codes. I mean, ultimately, you got to do or create a plan that the client wants. So it's more into just putting walls together.
At HDS, we strive for exceptional plans ready for permit.
We're very thorough when it comes to plans and make sure that we do get all the necessary information on it while leaving out kind of the redundant stuff that other places might put on it. They should trust us because we're gonna get them to the finish line and we're gonna let them have input every stage of the way.
We strive for exceptional plans ready for permit.
We love to build the dream that you always wanted.
We will help bring your vision to life.